Hi, let me ask you a question. When was the last time someone came to your agency and gave your team the retirement clarity they actually want and deserve? Rather than just generic benefits overviews, rather real actionable strategies for making the most of their federal retirement benefits. If the answer is never or not recently, you're not alone, and we actually hear that all the time. And that's what we're out to solve. My name is Neal Thompson with Federal Retirement Services. Since 2010, we've been delivering what many have told us is the most impactful and meaningful retirement training they've attended in their entire federal careers. And now we're booking a limited number of agency direct presentations for the first half of 2026, so January through June. With the current state of federal employment, we believe this training has never been more critical and timely. Federal employees are facing uncertainty and complexity in their decisions like they never have before in their careers as they approach their retirement. Our training style and approach is what we think is exactly what's needed now, which is integrated real world retirement planning that actually addresses the decisions and challenges facing federal employees today. What we think differentiates us is we don't hold anything back. Most retirement seminars give you just the foundational items, or worse, they turn into sales pitches. We've all sat through those. That's not what this is. This is 100% education, period. No sales pitch, no product pitch, no annuity presentations disguised as training, just high impact strategies like advanced TSP withdrawal sequencing, Roth TSP conversions, FEHB Medicare coordination tactics, FERS pension optimization, Social Security timing, and so much more that, done wrong, federal employees can cost themselves tens of thousands of dollars over the course of their life. We're also SAM registered. We have documented success stories from agencies across the country. Feel free to check out our website for testimonials from federal employees. And we're also happy to provide direct references as well. So we have capacity for a limited number of agency presentations each quarter. We do require a minimum of 40 federal employees committed to attending. We commonly deliver presentations to audiences of several hundred, so no issues with larger groups either. We can deliver these live virtually at no cost to your agency, which is great. Or for larger groups, I can fly out personally to present on site. For those on site that require travel, there is a small fee to cover our expenses there. If you're an HR director, benefits coordinator, a training officer, reach out to us directly. We'll handle everything if you'd like, from scheduling, registration, materials, and of course, the presentation itself. Or if this, or forward this to a person at your agency who makes these decisions happen. The POC is what they're commonly called. Your employees are making retirement decisions right now as we speak, with or without the right information. We want to arm them with the right information. So we'd be honored to partner with you and your agency. Please get in touch if you have any questions at all.